Hi, I'm Mark. I'm the owner of a photography company and I give Doodle a 5 out of 5. So before Doodle, I used just some of the basic things in Instagram and Facebook, and they were just very basic. But now I'm grateful to have a product that gives me a full and greater range to advertise and market. I chose Doodle because it gives like such an amazing way to create a compelling story. It uses cartoons, it uses graphics, and it's so different than anything else that I've seen on the web. And it's creative, fun, and it draws people in. Onboarding Doodle was pretty simple and involved just downloading the program, and it took a while to get used to it, really learning how to move in and out. But the product is pretty simple, it's pretty intuitive. I've even trained an associate to work in it as well, and we're in it and working fine. It's really a fun product, so it really encourages you to jump in and want to use it. So we're having fun with it. If you're looking for a creative way to get your message out, for a fun way to share what you do, Doodle is definitely for you. It's different, it's fun, and it's engaging.